In this video, we're going to talk about saving money. It's always important to save some money for a rainy day, or sometimes we just need extra money. Maybe we are driving our vehicle and we get a flat tire, or maybe a concert comes up that we would really like to go to. So there are many ways that we can save money. You can put it underneath your pillow, or you can put it in the bank. You could also invest in things that are more long-term, things like RRSPs, which are for your retirement. You could buy stocks or you could buy bonds. We're going to talk today a little bit more about some of the more simple ways of just putting money into the bank. So for example, Stuart saves $50 from his paycheck every 2 weeks. So we want to know how much Stuart saves in 1 year. Okay, so he saves $50 every 2 weeks. So that means we remember from the last video that there are 52 weeks in a year. So that means that he saves it 26 weeks or 26 times throughout the year. So we must calculate how many paychecks he gets. So he's paid every 2 weeks, 52 weeks in a year, 26 paychecks. Then we're going to take and multiply his 26 paychecks by the amount of money that he saves on each paycheck. So by putting away $50 every 2 weeks, in 1 year, Stuart saves $1,300. So I'm going to do a couple more questions with you. And then there are some additional ones on the back that you can try out on your own. So Susie saves $300 per month. How much does she save each year? Well, we know that she's going to save $300 every month, and there are 12 months in the year. So 300 times 12. Now remember, we're not doing this in our head. If you can do it, awesome, but we're using calculators for this. So if she puts away $300 every month, she would save $3,600 in a year. Now, after 10 years, we're going to take that amount that she saves in 1 year and multiply it by 10. And she would save $36,000 if she put away $300 every single month. Question number 2 says Matt saves $100 1 month, $50 for 3 months, $150 for 4 months, and $75 for the rest of the months in a year. How much does he save? So we have to figure some things out here. So first of all, he saves $100 the first month plus $50 for 3 months. So one way that we can show this is we can say 3 times $50. So when we have nothing written in between those, that's like a multiplication. You can also put a multiplication sign in there. I'll do that for the next one so you can see the 2 different ways. Plus 150 for 4 months. So 4 times 150 plus 75, but we're not sure for how many months. So far we have 1 and 3, so that's 4, and 4 more gives me 8 months. So 12 minus 8 gives me 4 remaining months. So 4 times 75. Now, because we have both adding and adding and multiplying, we need to make sure that we follow BEDMAS. So we need to do all the multiplication first. So I'm going to have that same 100 plus 3 times 50 is going to give me 150 plus 4 times 150, my calculator just died. There we go. 4 times 150 is 600, plus 4 times 75 gives me 300. So then I'm going to add all those numbers up. 100 plus 150 plus 600 plus 300. So Matt saved $1,150. So as you go through, keep working on. There's more questions on the back side there. There's only 6 questions, so there's 4 for you to do. If you have any questions, please let me know. But other than that, I look forward to seeing it when we get back.